This person that answers your phones is the most important person on your team. So with the softwares, the property management softwares, basically your job with all of these is going to be to get a demo. That is number one. You've got to schedule demos with every single one of these software so you can figure out which one is going to be the best one for you. All right, that's step one. And then when you demo your softwares, you want to just make sure that you're asking questions like, I mean, they'll go through all the basics and stuff. But one of the main questions with the software is, does it do dynamic pricing? Right? Does it do auctions? Does it handle the auction process? Can you do QuickBooks or some sort of accounting? And then also, can you do do you have some sort of a mail house? Or how can we notify our tenants of auctions? And then also, what's the communication between you and the tenant? So for instance, is there emails? Is there text? Also, what you want to know is there like a way to market for marketing for new tenants? So tenants, right? So really leads. How do you handle leads? There's a lot of stuff, honestly, really. But I would say that, like when you're doing your demos, this is the list. Like these are the kind of things that's like, oh yeah, I really wish I had that, but you don't really think about it, when you're asking the questions. And when they're doing a demo, they're really kind of just doing the basic stuff. Yeah, of course, all the softwares can handle tenants and get new tenants in and stuff. But really, what do you do to manage the business? That's what you want to do. The daily tasks of the business is really what you want to automate as much as possible. It's not just like basic things. Now, obviously, if a smaller facility, then you're not going to get as much as if out of a software, because you're only going to pay so much money for it than what you'd pay for like an enterprise solution that kind of offers this. So you'll have to decide, are these things that you want or not? Another thing that I really like is the recording of calls. Because like in StoreEdge, it records all the calls. And that way you can go back and you can listen to whoever's answering the phone and hear how they're talking to the people. You know what I'm saying? Are they doing their job properly? Because the truth of the matter is, and this is really another part, this is number two, is so who is going to answer your phones? This person that answers your phones is the most important person on your team because they're the ones that are going to make or break whether or not you get what you need, get your units filled up. So the person that answers the phone can either be a call center, right? Which you can ask the softwares, like, do you offer a call center? Because some of them do offer call centers, okay? Or you're going to hire a virtual assistant, right? You're going to hire a virtual assistant to answer the phones. This is like somebody that's just there to answer the phones. And you can have somebody in the United States, you can have somebody outside the United States, and then or are you going to yourself answer the phones, or is it going to be you? Right, who is going to answer the phones? And I talk to people all over the country who do this, and there's the people it's just preference, right? But you want to make sure that whoever is answering the phone, you understand that that person is going to make or break whether or not you do well in this industry.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.